Think about getting your first car. At the beginning, you are cleaning it every weekend, taking the long drive home just to enjoy the ride. But few months later, it's just your car. The excitement fades away and suddenly you start thinking, maybe I need something newer, nicer, faster. That's hedonic adaptation. Your brain normalizes your wins, even the ones you once prayed for. Hedonic adaptation is when you achieve something and feel great for a while. But then brain adjusts. What once felt exciting now starts to feel routine. So you stop appreciating it the same way and start thinking for the next better and bigger thing. So the next time you catch yourself chasing the next upgrade, pause and remind yourself you are living with things you once only wished for. Appreciation is the antidote. Beat hedonic adaptation by noticing the ordinary things that once felt extraordinary.